Yeah. Yeah.
So in human design, there are 5 types. Sometimes you'll hear them referred to as energy types. Each type has a different decision-making strategy, which is, that's really the beautiful hack about human design, is it teaches you how do you make good decisions. So each type has a different decision-making strategy. Each type has a little bit of a different purpose. Each type has a different path for working. So your type will tell you a lot about how you work, how you best can work in the world so that you sustain your energy and you don't burn out. It tells you a lot about your relationship style. It tells you a lot about your communication style. Type is sort of paramount. It's kind of the big foundational piece of human design, and just living true to your specific type can actually create an enormous amount of benefit in your life, even if you don't ever study any of the other deeper stuff.